Good evening, I'm meteorologist Karen Williams, and we have a red flag warning through Monday morning for the ridges of the interior, northwestern California through the upcoming week. So again, you want to be very careful. It's going to give us a lot of smoky conditions outside. Now, near the coast, it will be pretty much a cool week. Now, looking at our sunrise and sunset times, we're looking at sunrise at 6:43 a.m. and setting at 7:51 p.m. Those days are definitely getting shorter. Now, your out-the-door forecast by 7 a.m. we'll have mostly sunny skies, 58 degrees. We'll have plenty of sunshine by noon, 68 degrees. And then 5 p.m. we keep the sun around 63 degrees. Now, looking at our radar from earlier today, not a whole lot of activity, and that's because things have been very and relatively clear. Now, as we look at another radar model here, again, you see all the smoke that's in the area, and the heaviest of which you're looking in terms of about midway the state, and again, the areas of yellow and orange, that's what we have to contend with. It's starting to clear off towards the coast, but you still have that residue of smoke and haze to deal with. Now, we're going to put our future tracker into motion here, and this disturbance here is just kind of here, just kind of hindering things, but we do have a north wind, and that is causing a lot of that smoke to kind of stay in the air. Now, we will see down to our south pretty much winds that are becoming off the ocean, but for the most part, we have to contend with that north wind. Now, looking at the high temperatures for tomorrow will be along the coast in the upper 60s with 1 or 2 70s, and then away from the coast, temperatures will be in the upper 80s to low 90 with Eureka at 90 degrees, Mount Shasta at 89, 99 for Willow Creek, and 76 for Klamath. And as we travel downstate, we're looking at our temperatures, Redway at 94, Laytonville at 91, Weaverville at 99, and Redding at 101. Now, as we look ahead and as we advance further for wildfire safety, just keep in mind you want to obey orders from your local officials, so just be aware of that. Now, as we move on here, our marine forecast, we have hazardous sea warnings in effect through late tonight. And then tonight, we have north winds 20 to 30 knots with localized gusts around to 40 knots. Waves north 13 feet every 10 seconds. And then for your Monday, north winds 15 to 25 knots with gusts to around 35 and waves north 10 feet every 9 seconds. And there's your high tide and low tide times. Looking at your forecast for tonight, mostly clear and chilly, 53 degrees. And then sunny skies, cool, 68 degrees for your Monday. And then as we look at our 7-day, and that's going to shape up pretty much like this. We're looking at pretty much dry conditions. We'll start out with a little fog at about midweek, and then temperatures will be in the upper 60s. We might want to have 1 or 2 days in which we'll get into the 70s, and then by the weekend, we'll still be in the 70s as well. Now, as for your inland forecast, away from the coast, we're going to have plenty of sunshine and will be hazy, temperatures in the mid-70s.